Welcome back. So yeah, today I'm pretty excited to unbox this. This one is the 12 volt, 24 volt, 48 volt, or 72 volt. It's a remote controller to turn on and off any of those electronics that uses those voltage and up to 30 amps. So this is only applied to DC or direct current voltage. There's also another unit that uses AC, which is alternate current, but this one is only use DC. So the main reason I purchased this is to either control my backyard lighting that uses 12 volt. You could also use this on your vehicle, RV, or cars, trucks, SUV, or even boat, and etc. So yeah, by the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. I was just browsing around on eBay, and I think the cheapest I found was like 16 something or 14 something, and some of them sell for cheaper price if it's only with the one remote. So this one came from Amazon and came with 2 remotes. And it was $11.99 plus tax, so I think it's about 13 something, free shipping with the Prime member. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this and then check out the items. Wow, it's pretty small. Wireless remote switch. So it says 12 volt up to 72 volt, currents up to 30 amp, RF working frequency is 433 megahertz. There's also with the 300 something megahertz, up to 100 meters. And it says how to pair the new controller. And this is in a different language. So in order to clear the memory, you need to press the button 8 times to clear the memory. Then add a new controller again. Wow, pretty small. Which is pretty good if you try to hide it within the vehicle, so you don't have a big unit hanging around. So this is a plastic protector. Now you need to take it out. 2 clip on the side, or 2 clip on each side actually. Try to pry it out. And then there's a Phillips screw head on top. Right here is the antenna, RF antenna. There's a green LED, and this is the switch to either pair or to clear the memory. So unfortunately, they don't come with the screw to mount this. They're like a two mounting holes. And here's the on and off button. The remote looks pretty premium. There's another one, a cheaper one that uses plastic and there's no chrome finish. And this one has two remote. Oh. So you could just flap this open and close. Pretty good. And those are the input. On the left hand side, it's a positive and negative. Make sure you connect it properly, or else it's not going to go on. So yeah, let's go and then test out real quick with the 12 volt voltage. I have a lamp that uses 12 volt that I want to control. Let me go get my battery and then the light. Alright, so for example, this is the light I want to remote to turn it on. This is the 12 volt. And you're going to connect the positive and negative. To the DC output right here. So the positive is on the left, negatives on the right. Let me loosen up this screw. I got this lithium ion battery, phosphate. I'm going to connect it. I'm going to use the black one as a negative and black with the white as a positive. Same thing, positive is on the left side, negative is on the right side. Positive, negative. Let's see, positive right here. Negative. See if that come on or not. Oh shoot. Wow, that is cool and so bright. Let me turn the flashlight away so it don't blind your eyes. So yeah, if you have a special kind of light strip that you want to use in your car, maybe like a exterior or under carriage lighting or whatever, or wheels to show off, you just use a remote so it doesn't drain your battery, and this will control on and off. Unfortunately, there's no timer, so just a basic wireless on and off switch. Yeah, pretty good price for $11.99, and with this nice key fob. Well, actually remote with also with the clips. Yeah, I wonder what kind of battery this use. Let's see. But be sure to cover this back up so you don't get short circuit or anything. So they come with this O-ring, so you can clip it over here on this end. So they're like three, probably 000 screws. I want to see what kind of battery this one uses. Pretty long screw, I don't want to lose it. Let me take out my glove. Either 2035, either 2025 or 2032. Let me pull this down. Where is it? Oh, it's a 2016. I don't want to take it out. It's just slide it out. Anyway, I'm just going to put this back, and don't want to waste you guys' time. So hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments up below. And thank you for watching and supporting this channel. See you guys on the next one. Always, peace.